Gas oven won't heat. 9 times out of 10, it's the igniter. This is the single most common gas oven repair, and here's everything you need to know. What the igniter does. It's a small ceramic device inside the oven, usually at the back of the oven floor or mounted near the gas burner tube. When you turn the oven on, the igniter heats up and glows bright orange. Once it reaches a certain temperature, it opens the gas valve. Gas flows, the igniter lights it, and you have heat. Why it fails. The igniter weakens over time. It still glows, but doesn't get hot enough to open the gas safety valve. So you turn on the oven, the igniter glows orange for minutes, but the oven never heats because gas never flows. This is the classic symptom. How to tell? Open the oven door, remove the bottom panel, and turn the oven on. Watch the igniter. If it glows but gas never clicks on after 2 to 3 minutes, the igniter is weak and needs replacing. Cost. The igniter part costs $15 to $40. With labor, the total repair runs $150 to $250. This is one of the most affordable and impactful appliance repairs that exist. Safety note. Never try to manually light a gas oven if the igniter isn't working. The gas safety valve exists for a reason. If you smell gas, turn the oven off, open windows, and call your gas company immediately. Igniter replacement is fast, usually done in 30 to 45 minutes. Same-day gas oven repair. Port St. Lucie, Stewart, Fort Pierce, Jensen Beach. Call Treasure Coast Appliance Repair at 772-353-5791.